Hey guys, welcome to Ernest Reviews. Just want to ask you one question. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you are not subscribed to my channel so far, please do so before I start my review on a new software called Cartoon Creator. Now, Cartoon Creator is going live today at 11 a.m. EST. That's a couple of hours from now. And what I would like to talk about Cartoon Creator is anyone, a person even who doesn't have experience in creating cartoons, can use this software very well. You can create a professional 3D cartoon from this cloud-based software. You can generate unlimited 3D cartoons for all your projects, whatever niche you may be. And what's worth mentioning is Cartoon Character software has got a lot of other features which will be very useful for you. Like you can create a picture or image into a cartoon character. There is also a video and a image editor. You have extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights. There's a commercial license included that if you go in for it immediately, you do not have to apply for commercial license separately. And you can get thousands of HD templates. And you can sell unlimited assets and videos and earn. So any niche. No special skills required, and the creators of this software, they are so confident about the product. They also say that they'll give you $200 refund if you fail using their software. This is apart from the 30-day money-back guarantee what you get if you do not like or the software is not up to the expectations, your expectations. So that is what good about Cartoon Creator. Earlier to this, I've also reviewed a product called Doodle Creator, which was selling very well, and many people who have bought from me have thanked me saying that it's a good product. So I feel this Cartoon Creator is a good product, especially if you like creativity, but you do not know how to do it. So this is a software for you. Just have a look at it. And what's more, the software costs only, the front end costs only $16.5, and you get a discount of $5 in that. So you're going to pay just $11.5. It's worth it, my friends. Have a look at it. I'll also show you the demo. You can go through the demo and see how the product works before you even decide to buy Cartoon Character. Okay. And when you buy this particular Cartoon Character, clicking the link below and buying it from me, you also get 4 useful bonuses that you can use. And there are other vendor bonuses. There is apart 4 earnestly awesome bonuses for you. Shall we get into the review? See you on the other side.
Alright guys, let's start right from the beginning. We'll go into the members area. Before we go into the other things like the sales page and other things, we'll give it later. I'll take you directly into the members area. So here it is. Welcome back to Cartoon Creator, and you just sign in over here. As you sign in, you see the dashboard, the character library, generate characters, favorites, whatever you have done earlier that will remain in favorites. Background remover, this is coming free of cost for you along with this background remover. Then you have the search images, search videos. Then you have the image editor, video templates, the support and the tutorials from this Cartoon Creator. Well, now let's get into the character library. I click here, then you can see there is one, choose one. Premium family you can generate. Then here comes the men, you can generate a outfit female, women, outfit male, and so on. Let's click one of this, generate men. Then you have that black, brown or white. You can choose them. Let's say you're choosing brown. Then here shows man showing right, man showing left, man showing right with two hands, and so on. You can pick up as per your niche, what you want and how you want to create your cartoon. So let's say a man with a pencil. So you're creating a man with a pencil. Yes, the man with a pencil. You can download and or you can even add to the favorites. You can see the different types of 3D cartoons over here. 3D cartoons. You can download or you can add to the favorite. If you add to the favorite, next time it is easier. You do not have to keep searching for it again. You can get it from your favorite list itself here. So this is the way you generate your characters first. You pick up the different character to start animation. So this is the character selection. Then from the favorites, if you have got favorites, you have picked up favorites earlier. Somebody else has already picked up some favorites. So you can see them over here. And once you don't need them, you can also remove it by just clicking over here and it will get removed. Then you have the background remover. Suppose you are going to get an image from somewhere else, the image will be here and you can remove the background to make your character into cartoons. So you can select, save, download, and you can do so many other things like expand it or make it smaller. You can change the colors and so on. Then you have the search images. You can search images from here itself and you can download it and you can start working on that. Similarly, you can search videos too, and after downloading you can start working on the videos. Here we have the image editor, so you can edit the image after you open the photo. So you open a photo, something, okay, you open it and you want to edit this, you can edit it by using a filter, resize, you can crop it, you can transform it, you can draw anything on top of that, you can add a text over here, you can change shapes, you have stickers, you have frames, you have stickers like this, emoticons, you can add different emoticons, angry, angel, so you can add to your picture. You can zoom it or you can make it, you can reduce the size. Then you have the video editor, so you can download advanced video editor Windows, and if you have a Mac you can download this, or for the Linux you can download here the advanced video editors. Then you have the video templates, mix animated video templates. There are plenty of templates in each and every template over here, so you can just download it. It's a compressed file, so you can expand it and you will get all the animated videos over here that you can select for your animation and for your cartoon creation. Right. So similarly, you have so many other things like mix, parallax video, presentation video, titles, logo and intros, cinematic video templates, and so on and so forth. Then you also have the support. You can always call for the support anytime you want, and there are tutorials for you. And if you, before going to the support, you can go to the tutorials to learn more about this to make your own cartoons. So that's it, friends. This is your members area. This is the front end, and once you go in for the OTOs, you'll be able to get more templates from this. So now from here, let's go into the other sales pages, prices, and so on. So next, we'll go to my bonuses. So guys, this will end on November 7th. So click here to grab the cartoon creator. And when you grab the cartoon creator, you get the earnestly awesome bonuses. And you get it now for free. And what are they? Bonus number 1, you get done for you email marketing templates. There's a 49 done for you email written exclusively by an email expert. Then you have e-commerce traffic generator as bonus number 2. You get the complete system for getting traffic to your e-commerce web stores without advertising. Simple and easy method to attract paying customers to your e-stores. Bonus number 3. You get HD MP4 video backgrounds. Full HD MP4 video backgrounds that engage your audience, get your messages seen, and help you stand apart from the billions of videos on the web. This can go hand in glove with your cartoon creator too. Bonus number 4, ready to use cartoon graphics. Again, this will also be useful for your cartoon creations. Ready to use cartoon graphic mega collections, perfect for logos, mascots, e-covers, videos, presentations, postcards, business cards, brochures, flyers and more. So you can click here and secure your copy of your bonuses from me. Other than that, you also get your vendor bonuses, and all these bonuses you can get Warrior Plus account over here. So now let's see what is Cartoon Creator in short. It is an award-winning 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited world-class animated videos in any niche in just 30 seconds, along with billions of Ultra HD video templates. Here are some unique features which I already spoken about. It's over here. And then the prices and upsells. The front end is just 16.5. It is not even $17, 16.5, and with a $5 discount you get for $11.5. Then the unlimited version you get it for $32. The OTO 2 is an agency, and that will come to you for $47. OTO 5 is the reseller version, which will come for $97. Fortune 500 is $39. OTO 5 is $197. It is a done for you setup. This is again easier than what you are going to do over there by yourself, but I think done for you won't be so good. If you are creative and you would like to do something on your own, it will be better not to go in for this, and you get go in for the other OTOs. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. It's a professional 3D character and video maker cloud-based platform. Generates unlimited unique 3D cartoon characters for all your projects. Inbuilt videos and image editors. 100% AI-based platform. Inbuilt image to cartoon converter. I think this is a very good feature. Image to cartoon converter tool. Extra royalty-free assets with no copyrights. Commercial license is included. Get thousands of HD video templates. Send unlimited assets and videos to earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Unlimited one-click download, completely free. Inbuilt advanced video editor, and 200 refund if it doesn't work for you. That is the sort of confidence what the creators of this software is giving you. Other than the $200 what you will be getting, just like that, you will also get your money back within 30 days if this software fails to impress you. When you have the time, you can watch the demo cartoon of the cartoon creator over here. Same thing what I showed you in the members area, friends, so you can go through this video also. If I had missed out on something, probably you will be able to find it over here. From here, I'll just take you to the sales page. It's a very big sales page. I'll just rush through that. Later on, you can see it for yourself. There is one more video here to explain about the software. I'm just rushing through it. We are just comparing it with other cartoon creators like Movely.com, Powtoon.com, which are all very, very expensive compared to Cartoon Creator, Animemaker.com, etc. Here it shows that it can boost your profit 10x by using this Cartoon Creator. Cartoon Creator gives you access to the biggest 3D illustration library in the world. And here's how you can use them for your videos and website. They are showing few examples here. Some of the videos that has been created using Cartoon Creator. So you can play them, check it out and see how you can utilize Cartoon Creator. This page shows you Where all you can use your cartoon creator. Explainer videos, testimonial videos, sales videos, webinars, and so on. And this is also very important. Where all your illustrations are compatible with PowerPoint, Gym, Video Maker, Camtasia, Converti, Google Slides, Corel Draw, Adobe, and so on. And guys, these are the bonuses the vendor offers: Site Analyzer, Facebook Auto Reply and Bulk Private Message Sender, Pinterest Traffic Automator, iGram Machine. So these are the other bonuses the vendor is giving you as an offer when you purchase Cartoon Creator. So it ends with don't dream your life, live your dream. Right, friends, now I come to the end of my review. Well, if you like creativity, Cartoon Creator can do you a lot of help to make a lot of cartoons, and you can apply it into any niche of your choice and start earning money. By itself, this software is not going to earn you money, but this is a route through which you can earn money. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end and listening to my review. If you like my review, give me a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And as I asked you in the beginning, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that I will be able to give you more and more reviews in the future. Thank you very much, guys. See you later in my next presentation. Bye.